Hey everybody, it's the FNAF Duo here, and we're back with another video. Today we will be talking about the bear endoskeleton that you can see in Five Nights at Freddy's 2, who you can only see in the prize corner and the left air vent. I believe that is Golden Freddy's endoskeleton, because if you think about it, Golden Freddy's suit is empty, and how would the man who murdered the children get inside of the suit if there was the giant endoskeleton in there? And when you think about it, you can see the same endoskeleton in Five Nights at Freddy's 1 in the backstage area. Many people keep saying, it's Mangles, but it's not. You can obviously see Mangles' endoskeleton, well, at least endoskeleton head, in the game, but I don't know what happened to Mangles, but why would they bring Mangles' endoskeleton into Five Nights at Freddy's 1 if Mango isn't even in that game? Also, the eyes are the same color as Freddy's. That means it should be Golden Freddy because they're maybe brothers or something like that. Also, the ears of Golden Freddy and this endoskeleton match up and they're quite similar. But one thing I noticed is the endoskeleton in Five Nights at Freddy's 1 doesn't have ears, but it has the same mouth. Maybe during the moving from the old location to the new Five Nights at Freddy's 1 location, because Five Nights at Freddy's 2 is a prequel, maybe the ears were taken off to fit into the place or the truck better, or maybe the ears just fell off. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.